Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report. Finally, the December expiry has come to an end. And it was such a volatile month. We started around 18.5, then went to 18,900, then came crashing down all the way to 17,800, again went back to 18,200. Again today morning we were crashing down below 18,000, and last 2 hours or 3 hours there was a huge short covering and we are back to 18,200. And not only Indian market, I think most of the global markets, particularly US markets, were also hugely volatile in the month of December. Anyway, so all is well that ends well. So we have not done very badly. We just lost about 300 points in December series, and that is compared to a 1,700 point rally in the month of October and November. So we are still, for last 3 months put together, we are still higher by about 1,400 points. Markets actually opened lower following the global cues, but nobody thought Nifty will be breaking 18,000 and such a severe short selling. And I always say the market in the long term, it's all about the economy, but markets in the short term, it's all about short and short covering and long unwinding. People are euphoric, they go long, and when the correction comes, everybody want to exit at the same time. And when the market is falling, people take heavy short position. And if some domestic institutions, I've been telling you the same thing, there was a huge amount of money flowing into domestic mutual funds, and I'm sure they do not want, their net asset value as of end of this year, they do not want that to look very bad. So definitely they will be supporting the markets in the last few days. What to talk about last few days? They've been supporting for the last few months, right? But especially, so people have shorted heavily and short covering came in the afternoon. And the short covering was so powerful, Nifty shot up more than 200 points from intraday low, and Bank Nifty shot up almost 800 points. And because today is expiry, the option premiums were very, very low, and Bank Nifty, for example, 43,000 call option went below 7 rupees. From below 7 rupees, it has shot up to 263 rupees. And if anybody following some kind of a technical analysis, if they bought the option today, they would have made fantastic profit. But I did not buy the option, but following those technicals, I kept a stop loss. And I sold 43,000 call option around 30 rupees in the morning, and I squared it up at 15 rupees. Then it went up to 263 rupees. So mainly all major banks, SBI, ICICI, HDFC, all saw a very good short covering, and except FMCG, all indices ended higher actually. And until 12:30, markets were very, very weak. In fact, Europe markets were indicating a negative opening, and in fact it opened negative. Then later it has recovered to some ground. Private sector banks and metals were outperformers, and at the end of the day, the domestic institutions have bought for 515 crores. FIIs have sold for 572 crore. Actually, there is a net sell figure, and net sell figure in institutional wise, but still markets shot up so much. So I've been saying that Nifty is expected to expire between 18,000 and 18,200. So I said 18,000 is a very, very strong support. So the moment it came below 18,000, it recovered, again came below 18,000, again recovered. So let us see what happens in the January series and the December series, considering the global cues and considering the US markets. And our markets have done, I would say, reasonably well. Although we are down just by about 1.5–2%, not more than that. And look at the Nasdaq, from December 12 to now, Nasdaq has fallen nearly 13-14%. So the fall in US market is very, very severe. So US markets will have to stabilize, then only our markets will stabilize. So anyway, the new series, new beginning tomorrow. We will discuss the rest of the things tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.